Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of keeps stopping on the application of Clapper. You should just follow me step by step. We go to settings in the first like this. Then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Clapper as you see, and you will enter. Here in this window you will go to permissions. You will check if all these permissions are allowed. Like this, you can choose also to allow the permission of location. And then here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. And here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.